Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful, brand new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-350 Limited. Now the exterior color is in a jet black, and under the hood we have a 6.7 liter power stroke diesel engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our LED daytime running lights with our LED high and low beam headlamps, as well as a pair of fog lights with 2 tow hooks and an engine block heater connection. We also have our front facing camera, and over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Michelin tires, as well as we have our power deployable running boards with our black mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have privacy tinted windows at the rear, and on top we have a twin panel moonroof. And this Limited also comes with remote start. At the rear we have a trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7 pin connection as well as a trailer hitch. We also have a spare fifth wheel underneath, and our reverse sensors are paired to our backup camera, as well as we have our LED taillights and our power down tailgate, as well as a tailgate step. And inside our box we have our fifth wheel prep package, as well as a spray and bed liner. And at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with our power slide feature, as well as we have another reverse camera and our third braking light, as well as one camera under each mirror for the ultimate camera package. At our interior we have a outstanding appealing look, as well as many driver friendly features, including tons of door storage, power locks, memory seating, power windows, power adjustable and foldable mirrors with the extendable option, as well as we have our blind spot information system. And as we look over at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as our tailgate release and our foot pedal adjustment switch, as well as our LED lighting for under our mirrors and our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and our adaptive cruise control settings. And on the right we have our hands-free entertainment and volume controls. And as we look ahead we have our pre-collision warning system. And as we look up we have our auto-dimming review mirror with our cabin lights, our 3 garage opener points, 6 aux ports, as well as we have our beautiful twin panel moonroof. And as we look at our interior we have our Limited stamp, as well as we have our beautiful leather, which comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. As we look at our Sync 3-inch touchscreen display, we have audio control, climate control, including heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as phone connectivity, navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And another great feature includes a massageable seat for the driver and passenger, or also known as contour seats. And as we look ahead, we also have our camera icon on the top right, which will display on our Sync 3 display of our front camera or rear camera. And down below, we have our controls for our sync, and just underneath that, we have our dual control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin, as well as heated and air conditioned seats for both driver and passenger. And underneath, we have our dual smart charging USB ports, as well as our cubby storage with our dual cup holders with ambient lighting, as well as our center console, which comes with our Limited stamp, and loads of storage underneath, and 2 cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy loads of door storage, as well as more ambient lighting with power windows and storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have a 12-volt adapter with dual heated seats, dual USB ports, and an AC outlet, and ventilation to keep the air circulating in the rear. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we are left with tons of legroom and loads of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this outstanding Limited, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.